Good evening, MW family members, our admirers, and followers. So, we are in the time of the year where I love this section for all the business owners, for all the mompreneurs, and for all the brands who wants to come live with us and share their journey and motivate others. So last week we had one guest, and we had such a knowledgeable session with them. The copy of it you can find it on YouTube. All the copies of Instagram Live Series 2.0 will be available on YouTube to watch and in our MW community as well. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. We are everywhere. So I hope everyone is doing good and pink in health. Happy for the festive season. Lot many things going on. Lot many plannings going on. So much of gifts and giveaways going on. MWSB, MW Instagram, and the sister groups we have Connect to SRV. So going forward, talking about today's live. Not taking much time. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining in. Today we have one MW member who saw one dream in 2015. Can you believe that? 2015. Yes. 2021, she's living her dream. In fact, she started her journey last year itself. And she was a part of Instagram live series launch session also. Yes. We'll be meeting today with Jia Gyanchandani. She's a founder of Kiddies on Toes, and she'll be sharing her journey with us, how she started and how she thought that she can continue online preschool with the support of parents and with the support of family members. Definitely a huge support from MW. We would like to see her and meet her today. Let's have her within the chat. Let's meet her and ask her how is the journey going on and what were the problems she faced in 2020 or 2021. Hello.
Good
Hello.
evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, Shaluji, all good. Again, it's my pleasure to connect with you live. It's been almost a year, I think so. Last year we connected live on Instagram Live series.
Yes, it's a year, and Gia, you are one of the most active members in Mommy's World for you and me on all the platforms, which is really commendable. With this, you have your family, you have your business, which we are going to talk about. How do you manage all this?
So I would like to share this thing with all MW family members and you to know already. Like being active in the MW family has been a very fruitful for me. So it has proved a blessing for me actually. My journey till here, like from last year till here, it all has been possible because of MW. It wouldn't have been possible without the support of. Yeah, Shadli, sorry, I was getting a call in between. I'm so sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay, so it's been a year now, Gia. So last year you started this your online school Kiddies on Toes, right? You started it
Yes,
online last year, 2020.
yes,
So
yes.
now the period when you started, you thought of it and coming forward, and then all this journey to 2021, and now we are heading to 2022 in just a month or 2 months. How the journey has been? कैसा रहा है ये पूरा throughout the year? आपके parents से क्या रहा ये? We would like to know all that. And first of all, that dream you saw in 2015, we have this record on Mommy's World Facebook where you were featured in 2015 and you had mentioned that you had this dream. 2015 का ड्रीम देखा हुआ 2020 में आपने पूरा कर लिया से 5 years
So
में.
yeah, in my case, this saying, I mean, this saying has been proved where there is a will, there is a way. तो
Hmm.
कोशिश की तो हो गया. तो shall I start? Like
Yes,
how
yes,
I
please.
So last year in July 2020, I just started with my Facebook page. I started posting my story videos and other activities which we do at preschool. तो वो मैंने छोटे छोटे videos post करने start किए. Then I came on your Instagram live series, and from there is no looking back. From October 2020, I started getting queries for the admissions. Still, parents were apprehensive कि हम लोग online admission अपने बच्चों का कराएं नहीं कराएं, because you know, as I said in my last session also, कि kids are too small to sit for online session.
Yeah.
So, you know, to make them comfortable कि मतलब उनको अपना decision लेने में help हो, so I offer each and every parent 3 free demo classes, because
अच्छा.
yeah, 3
Three.
free
Why three, Jia, and why not just one? Because one who wants to understand can understand in one also.
Surely, I am coming on this also. Yeah, Shaluji, I'm so sorry. So, you know, it becomes very difficult for a parent to decide whether your child will be able to sit for online session just by attending one demo class. क्योंकि कभी बच्चों के मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं शालू जी, कि एक क्लास में हो सकता है कि वो उनका मूड नहीं हो, उनको कुछ पसंद नहीं आए जो मैं एक्टिविटी कर रहा हूँ. So I keep on doing different activities every day. I plan accordingly कि a child is glued to the screen, क्योंकि physically पॉसिबल होता है उनके साथ इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज करना, बट ऑनलाइन नीड टू बी यू नो मेक द एक्टिविटीज मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड अट्रैक्टिव, कि बच्चा बैठे तो वो एक सेशन में नो पेरेंट कैन डिसाइड. तो इसके लिए धीरे 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 जैसे बच्चा बैठेगा उसको इंटरेस्ट आएगा, उसको समझ में आएगा. तो इसलिए सी आई डोंट वांट टू मिसगाइड एनी पेरेंट, बिकॉज बिफोर इवन आई एम अ पेरेंट. तो आई थिंक इन दैट अगर मेरा बच्चा होता तो मैं भी शायद यही सोचती. तो इन दैट वे आई प्रेफर टू ऑफर 3 डेमो क्लासेस, सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर अ पेरेंट टू डिसाइड कि मैं ऑनलाइन करवाऊं तो या नहीं कराऊं, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द करंट सिनेरियो. Still, we haven't got a picture when the schools will open physically. So why to waste time? अभी जो मोस्ट क्रूशियल डेवलपमेंट ईयर्स हैं बच्चों के, वो क्यों वेस्ट करने? अगर वो कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी 50% also they are grasping, then why not? So I'm just trying best. I'm trying my best to give them, like मुझसे जितना हो पाएगा.
तो इन थ्रू आउट ऑल योर जर्नी जिया, ऐसी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थी जब आपको किसी पेरेंट को कन्विंस करने के लिए थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स आई हो, या आपको लगा हो कि टफ टू क्रैक, वो कुछ रहा होगा कोई मोमेंट ऐसा?
Shalu ji, I would like to share few incidents where parents were very much apprehensive because you know उनके बच्चे तो सिंगल वर्ड्स भी नहीं बात करते थे, और काफी पेरेंट्स ऐसे थे कि वो मेरे पास सिर्फ काउंसलिंग के लिए आए थे कि मेरा बच्चा बात नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा बच्चा सोशली डेवलप नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं सीख रहा है. तो मैंने उनको अपने स्कूल की तरफ नहीं खींचा. आई डिडंट ड्रैग देम कि नहीं मेरे स्कूल में यू टेक द एडमिशन. मैंने उनको वही बोला to attend my 3 demo classes. After that, you can take your call. अगर आपको तभी भी नहीं मतलब होता है कि आपका बच्चा नहीं बैठ पाएगा, तो I am still there for you to counsel. मतलब आप कभी भी you can come back to me. तो you won't believe, Shalu ji, there are 3-4 such kids कि जो in the beginning, in the June 2021 they joined, and now it's October 20, they are singing a whole rhyme. They were not able. Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So, you know, by continuously listening and by watching other doing some or other activity, so वो बच्चों का डेवलपमेंट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली हो ही जाता है. तो टचवुड बोलूंगी कि ऑब्स्टिकल्स तो मुझे नहीं आई कन्विंस करने में, क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी रॉन्ग कमिट नहीं करती हूँ. मैं जो मुझसे पॉसिबल होता है, जो मेरा बेस्ट पॉसिबल होता है, मैं वही पेरेंट्स को बोलती हूँ. और अगर मुझसे नहीं होता है तो मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ. जैसे लास्ट ईयर आई प्रॉमिस्ड, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, कि मैंने बोला था मैं एक्सपर्ट सेशंस रखूंगी. तो आई एम अप, सो आई एम अप टू माय प्रॉमिस. देयर इज जिम सर कमिंग इन माय स्कूल twice a month. Then there is a because physical activity is also a must. We just can't sit all the time and will do all the activities, listen to rhyme and story. No, physical activities also. Then I have a separate teacher for art and craft. I have a separate classes going for art and craft. I have a separate forest teacher. So I have stick to my promise कि नहीं, there are going to be expert sessions. तो
Okay.
even like commitment वो करो जो आप पूरी कर सको, and I'm glad कि मैं अब तक तो खरी उतरी. I'm trying my best.
So this reminds me, Jia, we had one of the sessions with Mommy Pearl for you and me, where we are running expert call series. So how was the response? Because I remember kids were glued to the screen and they were checking every line and curve when we were making it. How was
Yes.
the experience doing that thing? And after that, if you got any queries, the response, if you've got.
Response has been a tremendous. I mean, I've got a wonderful response, Shaluji, after I've started connecting with Mommy's World in a more like network मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. Mommy's World के मैंने सीरीज, लाइव सीरीज या दूसरे जो भी मैंने अटेंड किए हैं, आई हैव गॉट अ ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्स. और जो पेरेंट्स ने मेरे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ये दूसरे सेशंस ज्वाइन किए हैं, इट्स बीन अ 4-5 months and still they are continuing with me because उनके बच्चों को, because
Right.
me and my teachers don't take it in a a typical teaching way. We keep it in a fun way कि बच्चों को मजा भी आए. तो इवन
Right.
पेरेंट्स से पूछे बगैर फीस ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं और मुझे बाद में इन्फॉर्म कर देते हैं कि our kids are going to continue. So it's been that way.
वंडरफुल बिकॉज 2015 में ड्रीम देखा आपने, 2020 में आपने उसको स्टार्ट किया और आप पेरेंट्स के ट्रस्ट पे इतना खरी उतरी हो जया. बिकॉज आई कैन सी द स्माइल व्हेन किड्स वर डूइंग ऑल द एक्टिविटीज विद योर टीचर्स एंड विद यू. दैट वाज कमेंडेबल. So doing
Sure.
things online and with the kids you have never met with them, that to handle everything in this way, applause for you really. So
Thank you
that's
so much.
wonderful. So I would like to also know that the students which are with you right now are the same students, they are continuing with you, or you've got new admissions as well this year?
Few are continuing with me. I mean, they were in junior KG last year, so still the school haven't opened physically, so they are continuing in the senior KG class. And a huge, good number of kids I have got from the different cities, actually, from the different states, which are there. With the, I mean, there are hardly from the Mumbai, I can say, but more of children are from the different states, and they major batch consists of nursery itself. You won't believe, Shaluji, what we discussed, like कि बच्चों को बिठाना बहुत difficult है, but nursery के parents have started opening up कि नहीं हम लोग try देते हैं. तो नर्सरी लाइक 2.5 and 3.5 के बीच के एज के जो बच्चे हैं वो ज्यादा नंबर में हैं मेरे पास. And more of them are from the MW family itself.
Sir, that's nice to hear. Like Mommy's World is actually helping you. That's nice to hear, Jia. Makes me happy. Okay, with this, I want to know, Jia. There are two questions related to this. First, आप कितनी classes तक का लेते हैं? जो भी आपकी sessions है, आप till which classes you are taking? That is one. And two, I want to know the classes which you are taking are only open for online, or do you have any expansion plans?
Okay. So mine is basically from playgroup till senior KG, but now as of now I've started from nursery because for playgroup the age cutoff is 1.5 years. तो online में 1 साल के बच्चे को बिठाना it is going to be a bit difficult. So it's from nursery till senior KG, and yes, I have definitely my expansion plans. Definitely, I'm going to open my preschool physically as and when our government will allow us to open, because I have already completed all the formalities of registration and everything.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I would like to share my this thing also of registration of preschools, and because it is very important for any women who want to open their preschool, it's very important point to note. I'll comment on it later. And Shaluji, if at all I am opening my preschool physically, but for sure I am going to continue this online as well. It is on toes throughout क्योंकि parents are demanding, like still they are apprehensive to send their kids out, like जब तक situation normal नहीं हो जाती, because I'm getting queries for online tuitions, online phonics classes, online grammar classes, online preschool, तो वो तो है ही. So for sure, it's going to be online and offline as well. Both the platforms.
All right. So this means you already have so much of expansion plans that we should be ready that you'll be having offline, online, everywhere and on social media platforms. So that's really nice to hear. So you were talking about some registration. If somebody is willing to open their preschool, what the formalities, the ground paperwork, what they're supposed to do?
Yeah, I would like to share this with everyone, Shaluji. Like what problems I have been through. No other mommy should face this problem if they want to open their preschool, because you know, अगर जिसने preschool open किया है, even they won't be able to give you a clear picture कि preschool का registration compulsory होता है या नहीं होता है. I was running from dawn to dusk कि नहीं मतलब registration करवाना है नहीं करवाना है. I got hundreds of advisors on this. जिन्होंने अपना preschool already open किया हुआ था, मुझे वहां से भी clear picture नहीं मिला. So yeah, so preschool registration is not mandatory because it doesn't come under the state government or any government in which state you are going to open. Yeah,
Okay.
so preschool it's completely private institution. You don't need to register. Only the register is coming like you need to get your Udyog Aadhaar certificate.
Okay.
Because it's your business firm. So for that, you need to open your current account, and for that purpose, you need to have your Udyog Aadhaar certificate, and that you can be easily done by any CA or lawyer. So this thing, yeah, is very clear कि preschool का जो मतलब schools के इसमें registration होता है वो नहीं होता. Yes, but a document is needed which is called Udyog Aadhaar registration. वो जरूरी होता है.
Do you realize within just 2 minutes you have given so much of information to all the members or the people who are willing to open the preschool? Because here we were expecting your journey, but you have given some information which is deemed necessary for anyone who is willing to open the preschool.
This is the most important thing. I've suffered a lot because of this. So I just wanted, कि किसी की help हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
But thankfully you've got all the documents registered and you have happy kids around you. Okay, now I want to know the kids you have. Anytime has happened that okay, generally the kids play with throw their tantrums and lots of things happen. But because of the tantrums, somebody has backed out. Does that happen with you?
Not yet, Shaluji. Not yet.
That's what happened. Okay. No, that was just a curiosity I wanted to know because online handling it.
क्योंकि मैं I will share my this thing with you कि मैं अपना डर share कर रही हूँ when I started in the month of June, because last year there were almost like आना जाना लगा हुआ था बच्चों का, because still we were not in a balance this thing कि नहीं. But here मतलब numbers I got multifold growth in my this numbers admission case में. So I was bit scared. I was bit apprehensive कि ये continue होंगे क्या. तो June started, touchwood, no, that batch is still continuing, or touchwood by God's grace and by my well-wishers wishes कि उसमें admissions और बढ़ रही हैं. मतलब मेरे preschool में भी, phonics में, grammar classes में, online tuition के लिए, art and craft में, touchwood, no one has backed out.
That's wonderful to know, and may God bless you and you rise and shine. Jia, so there are channels nowadays, too many social media channels. Where our kitties on toes can be seen or can be followed, and where you keep on updating your videos. But also, I want to know, do you provide any worksheets or any kind of a sheet nowadays? Everybody into educational field are giving to small kids. So what, apart from this online sessions, what you do?
Yeah, actually, I started my journey with the worksheets itself, and that time the response was, very good. Personalized work, which you are not going to get it anywhere. So I speak to I speak to parent, and I know what is the need of the child, what he or she is interested in, like if someone is interested in shapes, a kid is interested in number, alphabets. So I make the worksheets according to, I don't download it directly from the Google और मैं send कर देती हूँ, वैसा नहीं है. तो I
अच्छा.
personal worksheet. Yes. So still I'm working on it. Any parent can approach me if they are looking out for the worksheets. And I'm very much there on Facebook, Instagram. So I'm there only. Then my YouTube channel is also there, Kiddies on, by the name Kiddies on Toes. And also I'm there on LinkedIn. In most of the social media platforms, I am there. And if they want to connect to me directly, I'm available on WhatsApp on my number.
And what are the classes you're providing worksheets for? And these worksheets are subject-wise, or it's a mix of for the children? I mean, small age. How do you provide that?
For preschool till 5 years or of age, and if someone is looking for grammar or phonics worksheet, that is also available with me.
Okay. Recently, we were discussing. I remember, Jia. After some discussion, you were talking about phonics. So there seems to be an expansion plan in that field also. So you are going to start your phonics classes as well?
For reminding me, Shaluji. Yes. So after Diwali, definitely I'm going to start my phonics classes in a very full-fledged way, because as I said, I mean, slowly I'm coming into this journey. So my phonics classes, like it is going to be from a certified teacher itself. So parents don't need to worry कि मेरा बच्चा properly सीख रहा है नहीं सीख रहा. So definitely I'm going to start it after Diwali, and it is going to be in a very full-fledged way. Yeah.
तो मतलब expansion plans तो है ही. Already you're working on it.
Yes,
Wonderful.
sure.
जी, एक बार जिन लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है उनके लिए आप वापस से बता दीजिए कौन सी क्लासेस के लिए आप अभी ले रही हैं ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग, और किन किन के लिए अवेलेबल रहेगा.
Okay, so mine preschool is from playgroup till senior KG, but as of now it is online. So I give advice to parents, like 2.5 years के बच्चों को online session join कराना better रहता है, because 1.5 years के बच्चे नहीं बैठ पाएंगे. So as of now it's from nursery till senior KG, and also I have art and craft classes, phonics classes, and grammar classes as well. And also I also provide customized worksheets.
Okay. Now these things also reminds me, so many you talk on WhatsApp that you keep on updating me for my child also, and I remember my son has also attended few classes. So Jia, you have visited somewhere last year to some of the places. I remember field trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I was the first.
Share something about that. I remember that post office, that flower vendor, where you were talking about the flowers. So these trips are still going to continue, and what are the plans for that?
Definitely, Shaluji. Like I was the first to conduct this kind of virtual field trip, because when kids are bound to their homes, they cannot go out and
Yes.
practical knowledge. So how to, my preschool or any other preschool works, we take particular concept, like if there is a flowers concept 1 month, then community helpers concept hai, or at the supermarket picture talk hai. So last year what I did, I conducted a virtual field trip for my children. I visited the post office personally, and I was on Zoom, and I showed them practically, I showed them कि how does the post office work, कि post office के अंदर काम कैसे होता है, because kids are too small. मैं बोलती जाऊंगी तो उनको समझ में कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. So I showed them each and every department over there कि how do they work. Then I visited cobbler, कि cobbler की working कैसे होती है, हमारा चप्पल टूट जाता है, how does cobbler work, वो कैसे stitch करता है. Then I visited florist, because I was having a concept of flowers. So I showed them different flowers. So kids connect very quickly if they see the things with their eyes, and they see the things like practically going on. So वो connect जल्दी होता है, और उनके दिमाग में भी बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी चीजें बैठती है. So still field trips are pending. I'm going to visit to the supermarket and dentist as well, because dentist comes under community helpers. So definitely I'm going to visit over there. That it's forthcoming in my virtual field trip. And with you, Shaluji, I'm sorry to interrupt you. would just like to share few of my activities which I do with my kiddies in my online schooling. So
Please, yeah.
I don't overburden my parents. So मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि जो आपके घर पे अवेलेबल है, जो कॉमन चीजें सबके घर पे होती है, तो आई डू माई आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट विद दोज थिंग्स ओनली, कि अननेसेसरी किसी का खर्चा नहीं हो.
Right.
Okay, shall I show it to you?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So as a like a normal parent, मतलब जिनको इतना knowledge नहीं है, तो it is just a circle with 4 different colors. So what exactly? Yeah. So we have learned 4 different colors in 4 months. But kids have this tendency कि like वो कभी-कभी भूल जाते हैं. So I have this color matching activity with them. So what I asked parents just to keep this clothespin ready. जो हम लोग अपने कपड़े बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, clothespin. So what kids actually have to do? They have to look at the color. They have to look at the clothespin color, and they have to put the clothespin on the particular part of that color. So what is happening over there? 2 things. They are doing the revision of colors, and plus ये होल्ड करने से ना शालू जी उनकी पिंसर ग्रिप इंप्रूव होती है. दिस ग्रिप बिकॉज ये बच्चों में डेवलप नहीं होती है. ये हमारे लिए बहुत इजी, वेरी इजी टास्क फॉर ऑफ अस, बट इट टेक्स टाइम फॉर किड्स टू डेवलप. शालू जी प्लीज वाटर. आई मीन आपके थ्रोट में शायद थोड़ा ये हो रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे एक्चुअली पीना है, बट आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू. गो अहेड.
प्लीज हैव इट शालू जी.
Yeah, go ahead, please tell me.
So this is one activity. We can put the particular clothes here. Then I had a concept of farm animals. So you can see.
This looks beautiful.
I've made a cow. So definitely we cannot visit the like बाहर हम लोग दिखा नहीं सकते, तो I made a cow by myself. So what I did कि cow milk कैसे देती है, तो मैंने gloves लिए, gloves यहाँ पे staple किए, and I put some milk and water into that के like order जो रहता है नीचे यहाँ पे cow के यहाँ पे जैसे cow milk देती है, तो फिर practically I showed it to them, तो उनको समझ में आया कि how does cow gives milk. So this is my one way of teaching.
That's innovative. I like that. That's innovative. I mean, if we are going to take another expert call series, and by any chance you intend to come back again, so please do show these things. Kids will be very happy.
Sure. So same way I made hen as well, और उसके नीचे I kept real eggs. So it becomes easy for them to understand कि hen eggs कैसे देती है. And there was a paper plate, तो easily सबके घर पे available होती है. So we made honey bee just with a simple paper plate, black strips और heart shape उसके wings लगा दिए. So they can easily relate कि yellow color, we are learning yellow color, and what is this? This is a honey bee. It has wings. It has black color stripes. So in a very fun way, I am teaching all my concepts, all my activities through like art and craft, क्योंकि बच्चों को सुनने से ज्यादा करने में ज्यादा मजा आता है.
Right. Exactly. I get that, because yes, my son would like to see colorful screen when something is happening, or maybe कोई भी teacher अगर class ले रहे हैं, so they would like things, the actions to be going. सिर्फ टीचर के बात करते रहने से काफी बोरे हम लोग को भी हो जाती है ना. एक्चुअली बहुत लंबा बात करेंगे तो
डेफिनेटली
ही एटलीस्ट विजुअलाइज. तो बच्चों के साथ बस वो है कि वो विजुअलाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. And I am taking now this vehicles concept is going on. So you can see, and that started with semicircle shape. तो मैंने parents को बोला कि just cut the paper plate in semicircle shape, और यहाँ पे जैसे टाइल जैसे चिपका दिए. They did the coloring, then rectangle shape windows. So it was very fun kind of thing for them. And also we do celebrations. Latest I did Raksha Bandhan celebration, Ganpati celebration. So उसमें I'm not just. So sometimes I do my stories with the help of the puppets. You can see there is a girl is tying Rakhi. तो उनको देख के ना और मजा आता है ये कलरफुल चीजें. और लाइक ये लोग जैसे बात कर रहे हैं आपस में, आई डू वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, तो उनके लिए और इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाती है ये सारी चीजें. सो दिस इज हाउ आई कंडक्ट माई ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग, शालू जी.
This is very nice and interesting as well. So moms, whoever interested, जिसको भी अपने बच्चों के एडमिशन के लिए कुछ भी डाउट्स हैं, आप लोग किडीज ऑन टोस्ट पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Like Jia said, she is on Instagram, Facebook page they have. She's available on WhatsApp as well. Jia, what are the easy ways to teach a 2.5, 3 years kid? What are the easy ways to make them sit in the class? If you have to give any tips or tricks to the parents, if not your class, there are other classes. 2.5 से 3 साल के बच्चे के लिए आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसी क्या टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स होनी चाहिए ऑनलाइन में कि वो बच्चे वहां पर ग्लूड रहे उनके साथ स्क्रीन पर?
मैंने जैसे कहा आपको शालू जी कि मैं घर से ही सब चीजें मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलती हूँ अरेंज करने के लिए. तो पता है आपको फाइन मोटर स्किल्स, मतलब ये जो हमारे स्मॉल फाइन मोटर स्किल्स है डेवलप होने के लिए, तो जैसे हम लोग चर्नर लेते हैं, चर्नर कुछ मतलब ये करना रहता है, तो यू कैन जस्ट गिव योर टॉडलर अ चर्नर. एक बाउल में या ग्लास, कुछ बड़े बाउल में आप पानी दे दीजिए और चर्नर दीजिए एंड लेट हिम डू द चर्निंग. सो उसको मजा आएगा. Just keep on instructing him or her कि the water should not spill out. तो आपको पता है वो बच्चा थोड़ी देर के लिए एटलीस्ट फॉर 10-15 minutes he is definitely going to get glued to that one place कि वो नहीं हिलेगा बच्चा, because that is one interesting activity for him. तो सेम वे जैसे अपने रोलिंग पिन होती है जिससे हम लोग चपाती बनाते हैं, तो आप सबके घर में अवेलेबल होता ही है. तो can give them a kind of pretend play कि चलो जैसे मम्मा चपाती रोल करती है तो even you can roll चपाती, but instead of you can give them the clay. अगर clay नहीं अवेलेबल है तो आटा will do. So घर पे ही जो अवेलेबल है तो उससे ही हम लोग उनका डेवलपमेंट भी कर सकते हैं और बच्चे सीख भी सकते हैं काफी चीजें, एंड दे कैन glued to their place for at least few minutes, because you cannot expect the kids कि वो 10-15 मिनट से ज्यादा बैठे.
I repeat my question. This was interesting, but I repeat my question. I ask you, 2.5 से 3 साल के बच्चे को स्क्रीन पर ग्लूड रखने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? बिकॉज आप दूर बैठी हुई हैं. इफ देर इज सम अदर स्कूल एंड इफ दैट्स अ न्यू एडमिशन, से 2.5 years का बच्चा है, अगर उसका न्यू एडमिशन है, तो आपके वो क्या एफर्ट्स है जिससे बच्चा आपके साथ ग्लूड रहेगा? दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज आस्किंग.
Okay, sorry.
Screen, yeah.
So Shalu ji, that's again my task, like how I make my class interesting. So rhymes होती हैं मेरी क्लास में, so जो सब बच्चों को अच्छी लगती है सुनने में. There are stories. Sometimes I show them videos. Sometimes जैसे मैंने आपको puppets दिखाए उसके थ्रू होते हैं, and sometimes I take this fine motor skill activities. या तो sometimes I teach the concept through flashcards. तो वो pictures,
that's what I was asking, yeah.
पिक्चर्स देख के भी उनको इंटरेस्ट आता है. और कभी कभी मैंने बोला वर्चुअल फील्ड ट्रिप्स रहते हैं, जिम सेशन होते हैं, बिकॉज एवरी किड इज डिफरेंट. आई कैन नॉट गिव जस्ट अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर किड कि किसी को जिम सेशन पसंद होता है, किसी को म्यूजिक एंड मूवमेंट पसंद होता है, किसी को आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट पसंद होता है. सो देयर आर वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज कि चलो अभी बच्चे को ये नहीं पसंद है तो दूसरी एक्टिविटी में का वो एंजॉय करेगा. एंड दिस कैन नॉट बी गारंटीड कि नहीं आपका बच्चा बैठेगा, बट येस कीप ट्राइंग, डेफिनेटली ही विल सिट वन डे. मतलब एक नहीं तो दूसरी एक्टिविटी से पक्का उसको इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होगा ही होगा.
So this is nice to know. Now, before we sign off for this session, Jia, I would like to read the comments. They are talking about. Okay, Shweta says the way of teaching is so innovative and amazing concept. I feel like taking admission for myself. Shweta Kamath.
Your voice is not audible to me, Shalu ji. I'm so sorry.
No, because your phone was ringing. That's why. Network connection. Poor network connection. So this we were talking with Jia, and I was trying to read the comments which we have received from our community members. Though we were ready to sign off, but we were reading the appreciation and the beautiful support comments you have given for Jia Gyanchandani. Okay, she has joined in again. for next 1 or 2 minutes. I'll just have her, and before we sign off for this session, before we wrap it up, I'll just read the comments for her so that she should know.
Sorry, Shaluji. As usual, network glitch.
No problem, no problem. So I was just saying to everyone that we are going to have just 1 or 2 minutes so that I can read the appreciation and the comments we have received for you. So community members are happy and everybody saying innovative ways. Okay, Priya Malhotra says very interesting techniques to teach in a friendly way. Shweta Kha says very good. DK Kastamai says this is wonderful. Kamna says it's a beautiful concept. And I missed one comment which was by Rita. And I remember you telling me that Rita's son is with you, right?
Yes, Shaluji. He's there with me since
Yeah,
June.
Shama says not many would share these kind of information and help others. You indeed are a wonderful person, Jia, that I always say.
Thank you, Shaluji. Thank you so much, Dr. Shama. Thank you so much.
Yes, Rita says, I can proudly say my kid started his learnings with Kiddies on Toes, how he's so comfortable with GMS. Yes, this I was looking for.
My
So
pleasure.
Jia, this was wonderful evening with you, and the information and the insights what you shared is commendable. I really wish you heights so much of rise and shine. बहुत अच्छा करिए आप 2021, 22, 22 में आपको बहुत अच्छे से एडमिशंस मिले. आपकी फील्ड ट्रिप के बारे में हमें बताइएगा, एक्सपर्ट सेशंस के बारे में बताइएगा और हम लोग MW पर इसे प्रमोट करेंगे.
Sure. Thank you so much, Shaluji. Thank you so much once again for having me. I hope to see you soon. Take care.
Very welcome. Take care. All the best.
See you.
Bye-bye. Another session has come to an end for Instagram live series, and this makes me super happy. Why? Because one, the information what she has shared about the taxation, about not the taxation, registration. अगर किसी को स्कूल अपना ओपन करना है, तो the effort what she has put, she don't want anyone else to go through with that. And apart from that, she has shared what are the tips and tricks we should implement or execute for a child who's 2.5 or 3 years, or also the motor skills जो घर पे try की जा सकती हैं. So yes, Kiddies on Toes is doing very nice, wonderful. On that note, I'll take a leave today, and I'll see you on next Friday. There's one more guest, right at 7 p.m. Don't miss it. Stay connected, and yes, don't forget to follow us on Connect to SRB, where we are running giveaways, and the prizes are just going every month. Take care. Love you all. Good night. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.